Everyone, I am Fausto Carnevale, I am an Italian accountant, and in this video I will talk about the alternative of opening a company in Italy. Today, basically, I will explain to you specifically if you cannot access to the other tax regime that you mentioned, that I mentioned in other videos. But by the way, watch this video until the end today, because for September and October we are giving to 15 people per month the possibility to have a consulting call with us with a discount. So if you stay with us until the end and take the code, you can have the discount. It will be mentioned in the video. So open a company in Italy. When we do consulting call with our client, everybody say, no, Italy, a lot of taxes when we talk about the company. Because the company taxes, actually, when we talk about company, the most common type of company in Italy is the SRL, Società Responsabilità Limitata. Then you can also do the SRLS, which is Società Responsabilità Limitata Semplificata, which means simplified. But at the end of the day, when you open a company, you will end up paying around 27%, because the corporate tax is IRES and IRAP. Then you will end up, if you take dividends, you will end up paying another 26%, and this is very important to consider. And in case you also work in the company, you have to pay the social contribution. So, what can we do? How we can, if we have to open a company in Italy, how we can minimize the tax pressure? So, first of all, it depends on your business activity. Because, for instance, there are a lot of things that you can do, but of course you need a tax simulation for your specific case. But one thing that I can tell you today is that you can create an holding company, because in Italy, and this is not only in Italy, but if we talk about Italy today, no, in Italy you can have, when the holding owns your active company, and when you transfer the profit between the company and the holding, basically there is a 95 deduction of the profit. So you will end up paying the 26% only of the 5% of the profit that you move. Now you may say, okay, why I can create an holding? What is the benefit? Okay, first benefit is that you limit the responsibility. Let's say you have the company and all the responsibility is in the company. Of course, limited responsibility company. And let's say that you want to buy a house, you can do it with the holding and you can transfer the money without paying additional taxes. So this is a good structure that we can use in Italy. If you must, if you are obliged to open a company. That is why I advise you to watch our previous videos about unwanted regime and forfait regime, because those are the most efficient tax benefit that we have in Italy. And as you know, maybe already, the unwanted regime is a tax regime created specifically for the people coming from abroad, like you maybe, okay? So, until next time, Fausto Carnevale. If you have any questions, you can, of course, book a consulting call via the link in the description. I remind that we don't provide free assistance, so if you want to do a chat with us, the best way for you is to book a 20-minute call via the link in the description. So, until next time, Fausto Carnevale, enjoy your staying in Italy.